Scott, I'm going to sing you out like a good captain should be sung out, with a shanty, of course. I'm going to sing a tune from 200 or 300 years ago from Cornwall. It was sung by the sailors, quite fittingly, as they were leaving port. It's called Padstow Farewell, or the Farewell Shanty. It's time to go now. Haul away your anchor. Haul away your anchor. It's our sailing time. And get some wind upon her. Haul away your halyard. Haul away your halyard. It's our sailing time. And move her on down channel. Haul away your fore sheets. Haul away your fore sheets. It's our sailing time. And get her on her course now. Haul away your topsails. Haul away your topsails. It's our sailing time. And when the journey's over, haul away to heaven. Haul away to heaven. God be at my side. So it's time to go now. Haul away your anchor. Haul away your anchor. It's our sailing